Okay, checkpoint number 3 is going to deal with the animal group called the amphibians and the reptiles. And as the earlier checkpoint with fish, we'll begin with a video on talking about the amphibians and reptiles. And as you're watching the video, you'll complete this worksheet on paper. So you should have that in your packet. And then when you're finished, you'll photograph the different pages. That you've completed and insert those photographs below. Just a reminder that every page on the worksheet, you must have your name on it, not just the front page. I need to see a name on every photographed page that you will then place on OneNote. Similarly, you'll always have a diagram outlining what the critters are in this group, which are the amphibians and reptiles. Most of you are probably familiar with a lot of them. And you will color that diagram as the earlier diagrams were colored. But the important thing is, of course, you're going to place that photograph of the colored diagram into the cell here on OneNote. And again, always make sure your name's on it, which should be there because we went through and put names on every document that you picked up on the first day of this project. Final thing for this checkpoint is to complete the research. Similarly, as we've done before, for each group, referred to as class here, you will find a picture and the name of what the animal is represented in your picture that is for that class. And this time you have to have 5 facts for each group. So remember, there's an amphibian table and a reptile table. Some people forget to do the reptile because as you start putting stuff into the amphibian table, it kind of pushes it out of view. So make sure you scroll before you submit checkpoint number 3, which is that. So one side. And again, I would use the checkoff list that I've given you to make sure that you've completed all of the requirements for this checkpoint.